Hello, welcome back. This is week 35. I am in Shibuya, Tokyo Shibuya this week. This week, I'll update how our startup is doing and explain why I'm in Shibuya. And lastly, I'd like to explain what is it that makes or breaks startups that are related to AI. This week, there's a lot of buzz going on with OpenAI, but we'd like to talk about how AI works in business applications. So let's go on with the video.
This is MaryBiz, a company that I started back in 2011, and I am still a director. We have some meetings with the board, so therefore I am just a quick tour of how the office looks like. So today's a holiday. Today's November 23rd. I think it was Labor Day or something. So this is the office with some meeting spaces. In a small library here. This is an open space so that we have a lot of contract workers, so they can, if they need to come by, they can work here. Some meeting spaces. Didn't turn on the lights over here, but we have more meeting spaces. Right now we have roughly 40 full-time workers. We have 1,400 contract workers that work as providing accounting service and back office service to clients, companies. In Japan, we have roughly close to 300 clients that use our service. We have a revenue of roughly $7 million US dollars. That seems a lot less if you convert it into US dollars, but that's our sort of annual recurring revenue. We have also a consulting service that we help companies transform their operations into digital. So that's what I've been doing on the side of doing Easy Proposal. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, this YouTube channel is to update what we are doing at Easy Proposals. We post a video per week to show our progress. And also we have an ambition to reproduce, kind of set a blueprint of how unicorn startups could be built. So if you're interested in this journey, please follow us, please subscribe to our channel, please like us. And also we have a full video. This is the 35th video, so you can go all the way back from our first video and see how we progress from there. And also the first video explains how we think that unicorn startups are built, what conditions are needed to build a unicorn startup. So if you're interested, watch that. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself, so I'm editing this, but my name is Hiroki Kudo. I'm a serial entrepreneur. As you can see, I am a founder of MaryBiz and also Locondo, which is an e-commerce service. And I am on my third startup, which is Easy Proposals, and we are very excited about that. Okay, so progress. This week, I'm going to touch about clients, how many clients we have and what we're doing with that. Also from the technology side, what's going on. And third, lastly, other stuff. So firstly, client side, Ted introduced me to one of his friends, and he's working in a company that is related to waterworks, water quality. So I've called him this morning, but he didn't answer. So we'll be talking to him hopefully this week and see what are the requirements, what kind of opportunities that company is looking for. Also, he seems to have a lot of network within the industry, so it'll be interesting to see how that will pan out. We are providing services to 5 more companies. One of the companies that we were trying to talk to, we couldn't have a meeting fixed, so that will be done on the first week of December 4th, when I get back to Canada. So that's it with the client work. From the technology side, Jay has been working very hard. Now we have the scraping automatically done. It's dumped into the database that we explained last week. We're adding more UI because not everybody can do SQLs, and also the UI provided with the given tools, it's kind of hard. If you go into text, you have to actually copy the whole text to actually see what's written in that, so that takes some time. It would be easier to be able to see that right away in your screen, so they will be working on that. For the other part, and the thing about AI and its application is that we've been talking about the excitement about AI, and also there's a lot of drama going on with OpenAI and Extra. But AI is a wonderful technology, but the value, how you can price it, depends on the application. And when we talk about AI, the customers don't really want AI. This was a discussion we had this week. The customers actually want the result or some business output, for B2B at least. So it doesn't really matter whether it's an AI that produces that output or a human that does an output or a combination of machine learning, etc. It doesn't really matter. As long as the customer is happy with the output, they would pay a price that is equivalent to the value that is provided. My theory is that if we emphasize too much in AI, people think that's just done automatically with almost no cost. But of course, there's a lot of building necessary, and there's a lot of computer resources used for the AI. It makes probably more sense for us to combine experts with AI, enhance the expertise to help the experts do their job more efficiently, and that would probably make more sense on the pricing as well. Because people take granted if it's done by a computer or a robot, like why should we pay them? They're kind of abusing technology in that sense. So to have people more appreciate of what service we have, and this doesn't just apply to easy proposal, but I think this will generally apply to all the projects that are going out there, mostly at least for the B2B side. People really appreciate output. They don't really understand or don't care much about the process. So I'm guessing that you can actually price it higher if you don't put AI too much in front. Like the VCs, investors, and all the people who are involved in technology might be really excited that, hey, this has AI involved with that. That's cool. But for the end user, the customer, that doesn't really matter. So that's our thought about how we apply the technology to our business and how we will market it and present it. Also, we've had a sort of tough discussion about what is the criteria for each, like Jay and Ted and April and myself, of jumping ship. We all have other projects on the side because we're not getting paid by Easy Proposal at the moment, but what will it be to make that big jump to do this full time? And each person has a different situation, so there's no forcement to that, but we just want to put it out so that we know what criteria we need to clear so that we can really focus 100% on this project. And I think it's really important to put all these tough discussions up front. Like if you're a team that kind of avoids these discussions, it's not healthy. You need to have tough discussions, tough decisions time to time. So I think it's healthy to put out these critical questions out there and for everybody to think it and to voice their will, their opinion about that. So that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video to the very end. If you like to see your journey continue, please subscribe to our video. Also like this so that this news can be available to more people. It will reach out to people who are actually pursuing their entrepreneur startup journey, and also people who are planning, thinking, maybe even hesitating to do a startup. And I hope that this resource will be some learning material for everybody. So thank you again, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.